In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome. If you've ever encountered this issue while browsing, you know it's a frustrating experience. However, fear not, because we're going to walk through a few simple steps that can help resolve it. Let's begin by refreshing the page. This might seem overly simple, but more often than not, a quick refresh can solve the issue. To refresh the page, you can either press Ctrl and R on your keyboard simultaneously, or you can click the refresh arrow located next to the address bar. This action reloads the page and occasionally clears up temporary issues. If refreshing didn't help, the next step is to clear your cache and cookies. Cached data can be stored for extended periods, and sometimes it can cause conflicts with the most recent version of a web page or with site permissions. To clear this data, start by clicking on the three-dot menu in Chrome's top right corner. This menu is your gateway to a variety of Chrome settings and tools. Once you have the menu open, navigate to the More Tools section, and from there, click on Clear Browsing Data. A new page will open, giving you options on what data you'd like to clear. Look for the Time Range drop-down menu near the top and set it to All Time. This ensures all stored cache and cookies are removed, not just the recent ones. On this page, make sure that the boxes next to cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked. By doing so, you're allowing Chrome to clear out all website data and cached files, which can sometimes be the culprit behind the 403 forbidden error. After you've double-checked these boxes, go ahead and click on Clear Data. This might take a few moments depending on how much data is stored, so be patient. Clearing your cache and cookies is a bit like giving your browser a fresh start. It doesn't remove bookmarks or passwords, so your saved details will remain intact. Once this process is complete, try reloading the web page that was giving you trouble. These steps should hopefully resolve the issue, allowing you to continue browsing without further interruptions. If the problem persists, it might be worth checking for additional issues such as permissions or network settings, but these are rare compared to cache and cookie-related issues. Remember, technical glitches like these can crop up now and then, but with the right approach, they are usually straightforward to resolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you back online smoothly.